Hi, welcome to the module City Design and Development. In this video I want to briefly explain the teaching styles that we'll be adopting in semester 2, as well as the focus that we will have and the key parts of the assessment. Semester 2 of the module focus on developing the skills you need to both read and draw maps and site plans. You will also have an emphasis on using video for both site analysis and also for communicating your design ideas. And we'll also have some sessions on how to use a 3D modeling software to model the design proposals you will make for a specific site in Oxford. The second big focus of the module is to introduce you to the elements of urban design and to ways that you can arrange those elements to achieve certain urban design qualities. So this is the thematic for the semester. We'll use different teaching styles every week. So we will have a combination of lectures, what we call skills workshops, where we'll then teach you how to use this 3D software, or how to shoot a video, or how to edit video and hand draw as well. In addition to that, we'll have a very common teaching style in urban design, which is called design studio. And in those sessions, what you do is you bring your work in progress, you present your work to your colleagues and to your studio tutor, and then we are able to give you feedback. Those are very important instances of feedback, so do make sure you come to these sessions and you have something to present and discuss. Your participation as someone who can also give feedback to your colleagues is also very important, and it's part of the assessment. The new thing about this module this semester is that we are taking part in a project called the Urban Design Experience, or the Power of Experience, and that is basically focusing on the use of mobile learning to help you to experience the principles, the urban design principles that we discuss in the classroom. So it's basically, we'll have some very short discussions about those urban design elements and those urban design qualities that I mentioned before, as we walk around Oxford. And you'll be able to download those lectures as podcasts and watch them in your mobile phones or iPods or whatever you have, as you go through the route that is attached to the lecture. More on that can be found on the website. We will also have the wiki page or the wiki space for the module as our main area of communication. I'll be posting news, and I'll be posting activities that you have to do on the wiki. So keep an eye on the wiki and keep checking if it's been updated. You can register to receive updates for that wiki. So do explore the wiki, and if you have any questions, just let me know, and we can work together. Now, just a short word about assessments. You can see a more detailed video about each element of the assessment on the wiki, but in here, just wanted to say that you have three main assessed parts for this part of the module. The first one is project 1, which is focusing on site analysis, and that is worth 25% of your mark. Bear in mind that your mark for this semester is only 50%, because it's combined with the 50% mark you had in semester 1. Then project 2 is focused on a design proposal you will develop you will develop for an area of the same area that you did the site analysis for. And the third element of the assessment is called participation and reflection, and it's mostly based on your participation in the design studio sessions and your answers to the learning development questions that I'll be posting every fortnight in our wiki. So have a look at the handbook and watch the video about assessment so you can have a more detailed explanation of each one of these parts. I do hope you enjoy the module. It's usually a very interesting module, and this semester is particularly exciting because we'll be using either your mobile phones or iPods or the ones that the project has to lend to experience all the urban design principles that we talk in the classroom but outside. So I do hope you engage, and if you have questions, just let me know, and have fun. Yeah.